In the next few weeks, we're going to start building up Gotta Have a Race behind us for its new life as a road race car / autocross car. Now, before we get into suspension, brakes, and anything else we want to upgrade, there's one thing we have to change, and that is the wheels and tires. Now, its former life, it was a drag car, so big and littles worked out perfectly. On the autocross track, obviously they'd be extremely dangerous and won't get it done, so today we're going to upgrade our wheels and tires. We decided to go with Ford Performance's popular Boss 302 S wheel. I mean, if they're good enough for the Boss 302, they're definitely good enough for Gotta Have It Race. These are designed to fit 2005 to 2020 with a 6.7-inch front back space and a 7.4 rear. The fronts have a 42mm offset and the rears 47.5 for a nice flush fitment. Now, as far as tires, the plan is at some point is to put a real road race tire on, but for now, we had a set of Michelins off of our SEMA car, and they're perfect for this application. We have 255 4019s in the front and a 275 4019 in the back, and again, these will be nice and sticky for autocross or road racing, and they'll definitely hold us over until we get a set of real tires on the car. Now, the race stars definitely served us well for its former life, but it's time to upgrade to something that's going to handle a lot better. I know in the comments you guys are going to ask, hey, what's going to happen with the race stars? Well, we actually are going to sell them. So if you're interested, let me know. Bill at tjponyparts.com. Now we're using Ford Performance wheels, so we're also going to use the Ford Performance lug nuts. Now, these are half 20 lug nuts. These are going to fit basically your 79 through 14 Mustang and a bunch of truck applications as well. Not only these Ford Performance wheels look great on Gotta Have a Race, they're actually going to be functional and allow us to turn. Now, these are available on our website. They're available as a set of wheels or as a wheel and tire package.